Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way, and today we're going to be going over GNUS Brands, what I think of it, and why the stock could potentially soar in the future. So there's three main things they need to happen before GNUS Brands could possibly soar to its max potential. So if you guys have been keeping tabs on GNUS Brands recently, ticker symbol GNUS, it soared from bottoms of 23 cents, 24 cents, all the way to a top of almost $8. So why did this happen? Well, the CEO was coming out on Twitter and giving some very encouraging news. Right now there's a lot of confusion, but the CEO gave some very encouraging news and said that they were basically having a conference soon with some very high top brands and that they were going to discuss possible licensing and possible deals that could help the company. So right now the stock in the company itself is really not profitable. Last quarter they had, I believe it was $5.9 million in loss and only $5.3 million in revenue. Very bad for a stock that is trying to become profitable. But if you guys look at the 5-year chart, it has been in the definition of a decline. I mean, it's seen tops of $7 before, but for basically 5 years straight, 4 years actually, it's been on a steady decline. Never really went up except for some short times where I'm guessing news catalysts came out. But it reached a bottom of 25 cents. It was about to get delisted, and now it is one of the most popular stocks on Robinhood. It had a very strong pullback from its top of $8 for about a month. It's been declining, but it's had a strong up push as people are starting to learn more about it and some more news is coming out. So let's go over the top three things that need to happen. So first, what could happen very soon is the cartoon channel could possibly launch with GNUS Brands. And if you guys don't know, Cartoon Channel is probably the top second kids TV channel in the world. Not just in the United States, because it doesn't just air in the United States. It's a global TV channel. This would help GNUS Brands absolutely soar, as investors all around the world are going to start looking at this stock, and people and kids all around the world and their parents are going to start watching this TV channel as they normally do and start seeing some of the products that GNUS Brands comes out with. So if you guys don't know, GNUS Brands is basically a company that works on developing, producing, and marketing licensed branded children's products. So what does that mean? That means toys, that means TV shows, and that means movies. So if this could happen, this could help spread their reach all across the world. Next, there are some very big shareholders that are planning on selling GNUS Brand stock. And what this would do, if you guys don't know, when you sell a very large quantity of about $47 million of shares, that could cause the stock to absolute plunge, and that is the reason why some of these shares have been going down. If they don't stop this, then it could possibly go down to a penny stock again before any new news comes out. This is, of course, very bad for the stock, as they're selling their shares for such low prices of $0.35. That is the lowest price that they're selling right now. Some even selling for 21 cents. They're really just trying to get rid of this stock, as people won't really buy $47 million in shares at the current price that we see today. So if you guys were wondering why they sell it for so low, it's because no one's really going to buy $47 million in shares for $3.60 each of a very questionable company that could possibly go back down to its penny stock days, where it could really get delisted. It is still in great threat of getting delisted, especially if it goes down below the $1 range, which at the same rate of the past month, it could definitely go down very soon. And so next on the list is GNUS Brands is starting to kind of team up with some more big TV channels and some big companies. They teamed up with former Walt Disney television segment president David Newman. The guy worked for Walt Disney for many, many years of his life. He really knows what he's doing. And with Genius Brands, a really struggling company, David Newman can possibly help them soar to new heights. Another one, former Fox Kids Network worldwide president Margaret Louis. He also worked for Fox. And so when he teams up with Genius Brands, he could really give them some good information and some good tips on how to soar their stock and how to help them become profitable. So him working with a former Walt Disney president, this could really be very good for their company, and this could help them soar to new heights as an investor. This is not looking too good right now, but if these things can come into play, then I will definitely be taking a position. But as of right now, guys, please do your own due diligence on this stock. This is not one of my favorites at all. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. But just wait for these new catalysts to come out. Please don't enter blindly, and just because it's at $3.60, that price is variable. That price could go down to under $1, get delisted, and all your money is gone. It is not a profitable company, so please do your own due diligence and have a great week.